everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today's video is going to be on this mochi Dango pastel makeup look. I don't know, I recently just got so obsessed with mochi and you can't eat mochi every day, but you can wear this makeup look. So if you want to see how I did this makeup look, then just keep watching. First, I'm gonna conceal my eyelid. I think we're gonna do pink, like a very light wash of pink on the inner portion of the eyelid. I'm gonna try to keep it sort of in the base shape of a circle, but still a little more blended. Next, I'm gonna use a white shade in the center. I have this lime green shade. I know it's usually more of a cool toned pastel green on the Dango, but I wanted to make it a little bit brighter for summer. So we're gonna use this one from 3CE. Next, I'm gonna do a pink winged liner. So this is the Fenty Beauty Vivid Liquid Eyeliner in Haughty Alert. I'm gonna use my favorite mascara. This is the Etude House Curl Fix. I rediscovered a lot of makeup I never used while packing. These are the Allure Talia collection. So there's Lady T and Girl Boss. They both look pretty natural. Since I'm not wearing black eyeliner today, I'm gonna apply my lashes underneath my real lashes. To prime, I've been using sunscreen actually. This actually works pretty well, which was super surprising to me because usually sunscreen I feel like is more greasy. Maybe since I have dry skin, this works for me. So I've been using the Aloe Soothing Sun Cream from CosRx. Now I'm gonna use concealer. So I'm using the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Almond. This concealer meshes pretty well with the perimeter of my face, so that's why I use it, even though it's slightly darker than the center of my face. This base makeup has been working the best for me lately. It lasts pretty long and it still doesn't look too cakey. I don't have a lot of brushes on hand right now because I packed most of them. This is the Duo Fiber blending brush from Il Makiage. Looks like this. For contour, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Setting Brush. This is in 170. Beauty brushes are always really nice. They have really soft bristles and I really like the pink shade. So you guys have the chance to get one. I would definitely get this one. Now I'm gonna go back in with my sponge and I'm gonna stamp in the excess powder. I'm gonna put a wash of pastel pink blush all over the cheeks. And then right on the edge of that, I'm gonna put a little bit of lime green. So I'm just putting it right here. Moving on, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Wada Brat highlighter, this pink. It's very sparkly, so if you want something a little more subtle, You can go with a different highlighter. Let's go back to the eyes for a second. So I'm gonna create little dots for the Dango. I did the pink a little too far out, so I'm gonna bring it in. I'm gonna wait for that to dry, and then I'm gonna curl my bottom lashes. I'm trying to blend it out because usually when you get the blush too close over here, it creates a really harsh line and it makes your smile lines look really deep. So when you apply blush all over, make sure to blend it out right here. Moving on to the lips, I'm going to use my NYX Peekaboo Neutral. And then for lips, I'm not sure which one of these I should use. I packed up like all of my other lipsticks. This is the Gucci Beauty Millicent Rose or Kimberly Rose. So this one is more of a sheerish formula, but I really want to do a pastel pink. So this one is a little more pigmented. So this is the satiny formula, Kimberly Rose. And then this is more of a sheer formula. I want a little bit more color, so I'm applying this more warm toned lipstick on the center. I like this shade. So this is from Sunny's Face, it's called Milkshake. I do think this brand's only available in the Philippines right now, but my friend Janice got it for me and she said that they are launching in the US soon, so we'll see. If you like the Huda Beauty Powder Kiss lipsticks, I think the formulas are pretty similar. They're very matte. But yeah. And that concludes this Dango makeup look. Oh yeah, also I'm wearing this dress from Eggy. I thought it matched the Dango makeup look so well. And then I added these little paper clips I have in the colors of the Dango. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you liked me, remember to follow me on all my social media, which will be linked in the description box down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!